Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favorn and today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do upload makeup tutorials every week, and I'm going to start with brushing my eyebrows using a spoolie in order to put them in shape. Now and then go on with my DV 2-in-1 eye pencil in order to shape my eyebrows plus filling them in. Cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to go on with the concealer from the Atticus with a flat brush, and make sure that you put your concealer on both sides of the brush so that you can later use the excess as your eyeshadow base. Start from area not exactly in the inner corner of your eyebrow but near that area, because at the other part you're going to use foundation. That's at the inner part of your eyebrows plus the upper part. So now, as I've told you, we're going to use a foundation shade that is similar to our skin shade in the inner corner of the brows plus the upper part of the eyebrows. That is because when you use the foundation, it will be easier when you're blending than when you have used the concealer. So you should note that. I always say that. Go on and remove the excess concealer and foundation using a brush. I'm going to go on with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to set my eyelids. That's because it will work as my eyeshadow base later. To remove the excess as I've done it earlier. My crease area, I'm going to first go on with that brown shade. Blend it very well. I'm going to go on with that shade. Of my eyelid, I'm going to go on with that green shade. Inner corner of my eyelid, I'm going to go on with that black shade. Eyeliner, today I'm going to use one from the 24-hour matte eyeliner from the Kiss Beauty. The mascara, I'm going to use one from the Kylie, and the use of the mascara is to add more volume to the eyelashes plus to remove the eyeshadow particles. I'm going to proceed with the face, and I'm going to first clean it with a face wipe. Eye primer, that is from the Kylie, and the use of the primer is to give the makeup a longer lifespan during the day. I'm going to go on with the BB Plus foundation in shade number 3. Choose the beauty blender to blend it in very well. Go on with my foundation brush. That's how it looks like, to still blend the foundation very well. Make sure that you don't forget your neck, your ears. With highlighting, I'm still going to go on with the Articus concealer to highlight under my eyes, the T-zone area, the mustache area, and the chin. I'm still going to go on with the beauty blender to blend it very well. Remove those harsh lines. I'm going to still go on with my foundation brush and blend the concealer with the foundation. With my powder brush and the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to set the areas where I have highlighted. Go on with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to bake. Contouring, I'm going to go on with the powder from MAC. That's how it looks like. An angled brush to do this job. Contouring, focus on the area under your cheeks, on the upper forehead, your nose. You get. I'm going to go on with the same shade in order to contour my nose, and make sure that you contour. When contouring your nose, you start from up going down. On and remove the excess setting powder with a small brush. On with the finishing powder from the black opal in order to finish my look very well using a powder brush. I'm going to go on with one from the Vivid brush in order to add more warmth to my look. The area where I've contoured, that's the upper part of the upper part of the area where you have contoured. On and set my makeup using the LA Girl setting spray. Highlighting, I'm going to go on with the Favorn Vivid highlighter. Highlight my cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, on the chin, tips. The lips, I'm going to go on with that Davis lip pencil in brown. it to line my lips. I'm going to go on with the nude shade and then blend everything very well. Remember that you shouldn't leave any lines of the liner. To add some lip gloss in order to have some glossy lips. Yes beauties, this is the final look. Give it a thumbs up in case you have liked it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Also don't forget to share, comment and subscribe if you're new here. See you in my next video. Bye bye.